Wishing you a warm and healthy morning to make your day bright. Have a great day ahead. Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you are fit and fine. I am your English teacher Zara. Let's start our lesson. We are learning to identify sh sound and its relevant vocabulary. Let's watch the video to learn about sh sound. This sound has two letters S and H. We all know that S says S and H says H. When we put them together, they make sh sound. Once again, they make sh sound. Sh sound. Many words start with S and H sh sound. For example, shoes, sheep, shark. Can you think about that start with sh sound? Your time start now. Yes, you can do it. Okay, students, time up. It's fish, crash, squash. Okay, students, are you ready for the task? Your task is to identify the words beginning and ending with the sound sh in the following picture. Okay, students, look at the picture. You can find the word start or end with sh letter. Your time start now. Okay, students, let's see. Shell. Next one. Shark. Next. Sheep. Ship. Last one. Fish. Okay, students, now open your English book. Page number 22. Look at the picture and talk about it. Look at that word. That's the digraph. That's mean two letter, one sound. S for S and H for H. When we make together, they make sound sh. Sh, a, p. Ship. Next one, sh, a, p. Sheep. This one, shark. Shark. This one, a, sh, fish. And the last one letter, sh, a, l, shell. This is your reading, students. Now open next page, page number 23. Say and write the sound sh. Sh. You can write the letter S and H as it is. This one line आपने trace करनी है और as it is इसको नीचे write करना है. Write words having sound sh and them. Ship. Next one, sheep. Third one, fish. Fourth one, shark. And the last one is shell. Read and write and learn the given tricky words. My, are. These are tricky words. You can write these words as it is. This is your homework, students. Also write HRW date and day. Do it carefully. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Allah Hafiz. La 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 la.